What's going on? It's Steve here. Hope you're doing fantastic today. This is Every Rose Has Its Thorn by Poison, one of those crazy hair bands from the 80s. This is their, sweet little mellow song where you get out your lighter. And they technically play it in G flat or F sharp major, like that. But you have to tune down to do it. So let's get right to it in this 3-minute guitar lesson. I'm gonna play it in G. If you want to tune down, you'll play it in the G shape right here, but it'll just sound more like this, like that. But for now, let's play it in G major. All right, so the first part goes like this. That's the G to the C major. We're going to C major, back to G major, C major. Then it does a little bit quicker, same chords, G, C, G, C, and it goes to the D. D major right there, and back to the C. And that's when he says, I guess that's why they say, and then it does it over again, G. Every rose has its C. Every night has its dawn, a C. Now, G, D, down to C, G. Every rose has its thorn in the C. That's it, that's it. Really, you got 3 chords in the whole song, don't you? So let's try it again. Ready? From the beginning. We both lie silently still in the dead of night. That's C, G, C, G, C, G, C, D major to the C chord right there. The chorus goes G, C, G, C, G, D, C, G. Every rose has its C right there. You get this kind of picking pattern. The palm mute if you want to. Big dramatic, strum out kind of chords to do right there. All right, so that's Every Rose Has Its Thorn by Poison in under 3 minutes. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you for the next song.